Well folks, that's the project done. I promised you I'd let you know what I was trying to achieve over the last couple of days. It looks a very substantial high seat. However, the comment made by David was the fact that he had a problem getting a deer over a deer fence, and the ideal scenario would be to put a high seat over the deer fence so he could use it as a stile and use it as a high seat. This is what I've come up with. It's in 4 main sections. There's the front and the back ladder, there's the main carrier frame, and that seat bit there actually bolts down and is taken in separately. It's very substantial. All these bolts are just finger tight at the moment. There is nothing clamped up. I'm hoping to leave it for a couple of days. The wood's a little bit on the green side, so it's quite heavy at the moment, but as it dries it gets a lot lighter. If you look at the ladders, each rung is checked in. You can see it there, they're all checked in and screwed. I've seen quite a few shown where all it is screwed on to the face. Screws can and do break. You can imagine you've got a 1,000-pounder rifle on your shoulder, you've got a 2,000-pound telescopic sight on it, and all of a sudden a rung gives. You grab, you let go of the rifle, you're in trouble, even if you just knock your zero off. The beauty of wood is very, very quiet as you climb it. You get up to the top, you have a standard high seat, you get the backrest. Again, as you will notice, everything is belt and braces. The 2 bolts in either side that are holding them on are 8mm bolts. They're going nowhere. You can get into the seat, you're nice and high up, you've got a great view all around, but you'll notice the lack of noise. You can imagine trying that on one of those tin high seats. You're clattering everywhere. They're very quiet. You find the shooting rails in the wrong position. Make your shooting rail, screw it onto here and here, put it the height you want it. You can sit and relax. It's quiet. The difference with this one is designed so basically you can go up one side, the seat hinges up just like a toilet seat, and you go down the other. It's a bit more difficult trying to hold the camera in your hand. But as I say, nothing complicated. You can imagine that straddling a deer fence. Deer fence is right through the middle. Those bars you just unscrew, screw them in. They're just braces to stop the thing spreading. Again, everything is substantial, but no load bearing part is just on a screw. Even these there, the substantial 8mm bolts, it's in there, but you'll notice they are checked onto the rung. The screws are not bearing the weight. For a couple of boys giving us a hand to put that out, half an hour, there's going to be a high seat. As I say, I'll leave it up for a few days to let it air off, dry out, coat of paint, and it'll be into storage till after the lockdown. Hope you've enjoyed it. Don't be scared to try it with wood. It's an easy thing to work with. I could build the same thing in steel, but I can quite assure you, you will not climb it if it's me that's welded it. Okay folks?